What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about CPA marketing tutorial videos, super free traffic methods, promoting your offer, no more landing pages needed. Let's get it, y'all. Are you ready?
Right.
Alright, guys, today we're going to talk about a way that you're going to be able to post an image inside of Facebook or a YouTube video and get it directly redirected to your YouTube video with a simple, easy step and process. This is going to eliminate you having to create a landing page if you're a beginner and you don't really know how to do it. This is a fast and easy way that you can start earning some money by simply making a clickable image that when the person clicks on it, it goes directly to the link on the image when they click on it. So for example, right now, if I was to come write a post and go to photos and use this picture right here and post it, it's just going to post it regular. It's not going to have a description or anything like that. And when you get ready to click on this picture, the only thing that it's going to do is just show you a detailed image of the picture, correct? So we go here and see, we go to, and the image just pops up like that, right? Plain and simple. But we're going to show you how we're going to make this clickable, and it's going to go right to your offer right now. So if you want to know how you could get these two websites that are going to help you out, guys, you're going to be sure to watch this video to the end, and I will let you know where you can go to get the PDF with these two websites that I'm about to use right now to make this happen. So let's get it going. So first of all, I already started. We're going to use the gift card, right? So I'm going to put in here in the title $100 gift card. Description. $100 gift card today. Right? So then we're gonna go to our destination URL. So I've been experimenting with AdWorks Media, and we're gonna use this Buffalo offer right here. Pays $1.50. So we're gonna come copy our link, copy, come back to the site, put our destination URL in. I've already picked the image, which was the image we used earlier, and now it's gonna compute and convert it to a clickable image. And when you get ready to load this HTML into Facebook, it's gonna make it a clickable image to whatever link that you put into it. So now that I've done that, now I'm gonna go back to the to this page that I have right here. This is one of my fan pages that I'm working on called Crying Laughing. It's a comedy page that I'm getting a following on. So I'm going to come back here, and now I'm going to write a post again. I'm going to post this link and wait for the preview to come up, and boom, the preview comes up this time. But this time, now it's a clickable image. It's a card. So when I publish it, boom, there it is. It's a clickable image. Now, when I get ready to click on this picture right here, guys, it's going to take me directly to my CPA offer. Watch this. Let that load up for a second. Gotta love these free value I'm giving y'all guys. It's so easy to market, so easy to get around things, man. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Boom, there's my CPA offer. Buffalo Wild Wings $100 gift card right there. Super easy, didn't need a landing page, took me to my offer, legit traffic source, straight off of Facebook. You can't get any real or any easier than that, guys. Like, I'm dead serious. So now I'm going to show you another site that I'm using that, say for instance, I have this video right here that I have for this iPhone, guys. So I'm going to come right here, copy the link, come to Facebook, and do the same thing, and it's gonna put a clickable video that's gonna direct to my YouTube video about this offer. So boom, there it is right there. Same thing. Delete that, hit publish. Now check that out. So instantly in the news feed, it says win an iPhone X. It's got the description. Click on it. It's gonna take you to this site right here. Now, mind you, this site is free to sign up. It's nothing to use it. You get 10 free video links that you can use every with a free account, or you can upgrade to a $5 account, and it gives you unlimited linking, and it also directly sends it directly to YouTube. They don't have to come to this site first and play it through. It'll take them straight to YouTube and play it directly off YouTube, so they won't have to come here first, then click play. But same thing. They click play, they see this, they get the details on the video and the instructions, and boom, and so forth and so on. Easy way to market, guys. Easy way to make some good commissions for your affiliate offers without having to have a landing page. And like I said, there's gonna be a link in the description where you can unlock these two websites and get started right now promoting your CPA offer using these free traffic methods. I wasn't going to try to make this video too long. I just wanted to give y'all some free value, a free traffic source for y'all to be able to promote today. One other thing, a good way is, like, after you promote this, guys, I would come here and I would share it to a Facebook group, right? So, like, say for instance, this one, I would share the page, share in a group. Let's find something with classifieds. Let's try San Antonio classifieds. Successfully shared. Share it again. And that's what you do. Share it like 4 or 5 times. And keep it moving, guys. Short, plain, simple, easy. That simple to do and market. Facebook classifieds. Post again. Then refresh. And it should show you, eventually it should show you the reach that it gets through the groups that you've shared through. But like I said, that's pretty much it. So if you are already a part of my Smart Grind team, guys, you already know what to do. Comment Smart Grind below this video if you find this content valuable. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment below. Like this video. Make sure you like it if you find this content valuable. And please hit that subscribe button and that bell button if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that and aren't receiving notifications about the new up-and-coming videos. This is your boy CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs, talking about CPA marketing tutorials, super free traffic methods, promoting your offer. No more landing pages needed. I'm out, y'all. Are you ready?
God.